You must see this blue 2004 BMW 6 Series. This vehicle is powered by a gas V8 4.4L/268 engine with an RWD. We priced this BMW 6 Series to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like a PWR tilt glass panorama moonroof with PWR shade, body color front rear bumpers, a cleaning system, xenon adaptive headlights with dynamic auto leveling, and auto headlight control, halogen-free form fog lights, a LED ground lighting, adaptive brake lights, daytime running lamps, a PWR heated auto dimming mirrors with right mirror auto tilt down fold feature, and rain sensing windshield wipers with heated washer jets. Come in for a test drive and see this for yourself today. Buy with confidence. This vehicle has a clean Carfax. All of our vehicles are put through a rigorous inspection and are fully reconditioned. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us today.